Hello everyone, this is Rohit Singh, and I'm going to start a new tutorial regarding Node.js. So this will be the first chapter where I'm going to, capture the basic thing, very basic thing, like how to set up the Node.js project. Basic setup. Okay, all right. So without wasting a time, let's move forward. I'm going to share my screen. Okay, so I had done something before. Let me remove it first. Okay, I hope you guys can see my screen. Right. Okay, so I'm going to create this Node.js application, right? Or we can say Node.js project with very basic setup. सबसे पहले जो इसमें अपने को करना है. Okay, so one thing, this tutorial for those developers who have already been experienced in Angular, React, or JavaScript. Not for, very beginner who don't have any experience or background for the development, right? So, like this Node.js is required. Second thing, we need to initiate the, package.json. So first of all, I will check my Node.js version, whether Node.js is installed or not. So you can see, yeah, Node.js is there. The first step is after Node.js installing is typing no npm init -y. What exactly it will do? So many of you are aware. I hope everyone will be aware. This is very basic. That if you write this command line, it will give you the very basic package.json. So let me do that. And yes, you can see it is created. And this is what I got in the package.json. So let's see. थोड़ा सा इसको change कर देते हैं यार. And in description, we can add some description like basic setup of Node.js project. All right. Author name, you can put your name. I'm putting my name here. Okay. So we are good till here. Then I'm updating this seed here. The third thing is we need to install TypeScript. Install TypeScript. Fine. So let's do that. npm I install भी लिख सकते हो, short form में I भी लिख सकते हो, @types. Types जरूरी है to defining the type, and then TypeScript. What exactly it will keep? So why types and then TypeScript? So you can do something like this as well. So it will define the types, it will install inside the dependency, like what kind of type it is, and then the TypeScript. So you can do it like separately, but for the time saving, we can do it like this. This is the good way, right? Let's see what is being changed in the package.json. So you can see we have this dependency, types and TypeScript, both is installed. The second thing is Express. Why Express? Express is mandatory. Why? Because Express is giving us a what? Local environment, right? Local server. Express. Let's do it quickly. कुछ भी नहीं है, friends. It's very basic. TypeScript add किया है, Express किया है. Express इसलिए किया है because Express is giving us the environment for the local server. All right, so we are good here. इसके बाद हम इंस्टॉल करेंगे npx node package. What exactly? tsc init. Okay, so it will give us a configuration file, right? So I'll tell you why this configuration file. There are a lot of things. So for now, you can use like type a script JS setup. So you can use any of the URL here and get these settings right. Configuration exactly. I'll tell you what exactly it is. So just copy and paste it here in the tsconfig file. So tsconfig file is the mandatory ones. Like we have express is mandatory and typescript is mandatory. So configuration file, what exactly it does. So you can see this module. Module is like it is defining the type. What kind of you are developing application in the JS or TypeScript. So here we need to add ES6 because we are developing the application in ECMAScript 6. Yes, output directory is fine. There will be one more. So let me see the setting. This one I think we can use. So ES6 we can use here. Then it has a source file and dist file. What is it? So root directory we need to create it here first. I'm saying src and then dist file. So I hope everyone is about source file and dist file. So whenever we will compile this project, so whatever will inside this source, directory, that will compile and go inside dist file, and then it will be rendered on the browser. So I have created one index.ts that we need to include here in the main.ts, right? Sorry, package.json. So where it is source file and index.ts. One more thing, guys, if you are developing your Node.js project in a TypeScript, definitely this module should be added here. So what exactly we need to modify here? We need to add the type, and then we need to set the property module so that system will understand that we are developing the project in ECMAScript 6. Otherwise, it will give us the error. Let's set this start. Node. Then I need to fetch the file from this index.js because it will convert the file to the ts to js and then build. In build, what exactly we need to write? tsc. Tsc is a predefined command which build the Node.js project. Okay. So now we can see our index.file is blank. First of all, we will check whether this build is working fine or not. So let's clear this out. npm run build. मैं थोड़ा जल्दी जल्दी कर रहा हूँ बट मैं आपको बाद में समझाऊंगा कि एग्जैक्टली मैंने क्या क्या किया. अभी आप देखो इसको समझो, बस देखते रहो. बस मैं आपको बाद में समझाऊंगा. सो आप देख सकते हो कि इसने टेस्ट फाइल में इंडेक्स डॉट बना दिया जेएस फाइल, राइट. दैट मीन्स एक काम तो हो गया अपना कि ये बिल्ड चल रहा है. अब आते हैं नाउ द रोल कम्स फॉर द एक्सप्रेस. एक्सप्रेस का पैकेज इंपोर्ट कर लिया था, अब उसको यहाँ पे डिफाइन भी इंस्टॉल कर लिया था, अब यहाँ पे इंपोर्ट भी कर लेते हैं. सो वी आर इंपोर्टिंग एक्सप्रेस फ्रॉम एक्सप्रेस. We need to add one variable app. एक्सप्रेस को कॉल कर लेंगे, एक्सप्रेस फंक्शन को. नाउ वी नीड टू रन द okay, so local server चलाने के लिए we need to define a port. Port you can put anything, 5000, 10,000, 3,000 something. So I'm putting 3,000 here. Then there is a command. I'm using app now, app variable app.listen, which is a predefined command for, function for express. यहाँ पे port लगेगा. टाइप स्क्रिप्ट यूज कर रहा हूँ इसलिए एरो फंक्शन है यहाँ पे. Port. Check correct? No, we cannot check right. So exactly we need to do package. Yeah, npm run build. npm run start. See, this is working fine. But browser पे check करोगे तो ये नहीं चलेगा because we have not created any API right now. एक API बना लेते हैं. Get API. Great. So your basic project is set up. यहाँ पे जाते हैं. दो कमांड टाइप करने की जरूरत नहीं है. Let's change something. I just need to start my server. Build will happen automatically because I have defined the build here. See, now here it should be 2, which is fine. Okay, all right, guys. Thank you so much for watching.